Well, hello everyone. So, I really wanted to do another episode of this series. So, today we're doing Windows 2000. I really wanted to do this for a long time. So, yeah, we're just finally gonna get the chance to do it. We're going to start by creating a new virtual machine, and we're going to use an installer disk image file. Alright, so it says Windows 2000 Professional Detected. We're going to just name it Windows 2000. 8 gigs, we're just going to stick with that. I'm going to power it on after the creation. Windows 2000 setup. So it's just starting up. Setup is starting Windows 2000. Enter. So just gonna press F8. I agree. Unpartition space. And I think I'll use the NTFS. Please will all set up examine your disks. And then it's just going to copy the files. This may take several minutes. Oh, I think it's just going to take just like less than a minute. Like, look how fast it's going. They're definitely lying to you. Please wait while set up initialize your Windows 2000 installation. So I'm just gonna reboot now. Starting Windows. Oh, hey, look, it's starting up. Okay, so it's just starting up. And here we go, we're booting into the setup. Welcome to the Windows 2000 setup wizard. So this is the section I usually find takes the longest. It goes fastest at first, but then it just slows down. Like, really slows down. Like here. It just, then the progress bar just doesn't move. Sometimes it moves a little bit, but okay. Hopefully it finishes on time, and maybe you'll get to see some of the little screen glitches or whatever. Just waiting for it. Alright, we're good. Okay, so everything from now on is just smooth sailing. So yeah. Alright. Name. And it tells us you have to type the organization, so let me say Archie appears. So here we go. Computer name. Just gonna name it Win2K. Just gonna do that. Please wait while Windows installs networking components. Okay. Now we're just gonna do the typical settings. Now it's just installing the components and oh, starting. There's a logo. It's booting up. TikTok. Oh, for some reason it just restarted the entire setup. Okay. Yeah, that's really weird how it does that. Just gonna wait. Yep, just gonna go through the entire process again. So we completed this setup wizard. If there is a CD in the drive, remove it. I really hope this doesn't affect it. Now it's just starting up. Just gonna wait for it. And it's just gonna boot up. Network identification. No, 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 no. Install the sound card as well, which is really cool. So maybe that's why it was taking so long? I don't know. Oh, there it is. We're gonna try and adjust it to a different display. So yeah, there we go. I really hope you all enjoyed the video, and I'm gonna see ya next time. Alright, bye.